In this video, I'll be talking about how long does it take to grow on YouTube, successful video content strategy, how to use organic YouTube marketing strategies to grow your channel. Is YouTube ads an effective way to grow your channel? Let's get started. How long does it take to grow on YouTube? YouTube growth is exponential and not linear. So for example, on my first YouTube channel, it took me about 1 year to reach 1,000 subscribers. And after about 3 years and a half, I passed 100K subscribers. So to be successful on YouTube, you have to be patient, dedicated, and consistent in uploading videos. And YouTube is a marathon, not sprint. Please don't rush things. It's not going to work. Successful video content strategy. First of all, you have to create content that you're passionate about. You want to create videos that people are going to watch, share, like, and talk about. So that's why you have to talk about a certain topic or a certain niche, as we call it, niching down, so that you target a specific audience. Let me give you an example. On my channel, it's called No Steroids. It's talking about how to build muscles and lose fat using natural ways, and that's why it's called No Steroids. Growing muscles using natural ways is a little bit harder. It needs more dedication. That's why I started this channel. When thinking about creating new content, you have to build content based on a topic or keyword, and that's why it's better to use keyword research tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, and there's a lot of other helpful SEO tools. And if you're just starting a new YouTube channel, your main strategy for growth will be mainly depending on YouTube SEO. Since you don't have an audience, you don't have a lot of followers, so the only way for people to find your videos is by typing certain words so that they can find your videos. Later, if you have an established channel, still the YouTube SEO is a good strategy to grow your channel because this helps you to get more and more new audience. But I have to highlight something, that depending mainly on YouTube SEO for growing a channel is not going to work. Because as you know that about 60 or 70% of the YouTube views come from recommendations. And that's why we have two other algorithms. So for YouTube algorithm, we have three main algorithms: the YouTube browse features, the YouTube suggested videos, and the YouTube SEO. For the YouTube browse and the suggested videos, they should contribute to about 60 or 70% of your channel growth strategies, and the YouTube SEO should be the other 30%. And you have to stick to a schedule. So you have to publish videos on a regular basis so that your audience will always expect your videos on certain days or time. And you have to monitor trending topics in your niche. For example, suppose there is a big event or something that is trending, like a fad diet or something that's going to happen in the near future. And as you can see, you can use the Google Trends website to know what are the trending topics. And also you have to just follow the blogs, the websites that are talking about the main topics like your videos. So the next topic will be how to use organic YouTube marketing strategies to grow your channel. One of the most important factors that will determine whether your channel is going to grow or not is the watch time. YouTube's primary goal is to keep people on the platform. So if you are going to create videos that keep people as long as you can on the platform, YouTube algorithm is going to love your content and it will promote it to more and more interested audience. As we all know that YouTube makes money by placing ads on videos. So the longer videos you have, the more ads that are going to be placed on those videos. YouTube is going to make money. And when I'm analyzing YouTube channels, I usually notice something about the intros and the outros for the videos. For the intro, which is like the first 30 seconds in the video, I see some people create like those long, boring music intros. This type of intros is not going to work, especially if you start the videos with this type of intros. So the best way to structure your YouTube videos is to start your video with a hook or question so that people see your face and know that you are going to tell them something. And you can use this hook for about like 5 or 10 seconds. Then you can use one of those intros, the branding intros that have your logo, music, or whatever, for like 5 seconds or something. Then go directly into the meat of the topic. Please don't make long intros because people nowadays are having short span of attention and there are millions of videos out there. So if you didn't attract the attention in the first few seconds of your videos, they're gonna click off and they're not gonna watch your video. And always ask yourself a question when creating this hook. So what's the benefit they are going to get by watching your videos? I find also sometimes people create longer outros, which is not recommended. If you send a signal or told them something that they feel or they know that the video is going to end and that's it, the most probably they are going to click off. For the close to action at the end of the video, it's preferred to be just one close to action, and the outro should be like 5 seconds so that people watch the video till the end. I always get a lot of questions about what is the best way to optimize YouTube videos. So to optimize YouTube videos, you have to focus mainly on the title and the thumbnail. Those are very crucial for your videos to have a lot of impressions, especially in the first 24 hours. You have to use a very good title, and it should contain a searchable keyword. What I mean by searchable keywords are keywords that are having certain search volume per month. For example, how to play tennis, and you're gonna find that it's having certain searches depending on the country, of course, you are targeting. You can include this main keyword in the title, and you can write whatever before this word and whatever after it, so that the title should be something around 70 characters. Please don't use long titles, it's not going to work. And use this main keyword in the video description, especially in the first 3 lines, because what really counts for the YouTube SEO is the 3 lines under the video. So if you're using TubeBuddy or vidIQ, you always have an optimization score and try to reach like 100% of the recommendations they ask you to do, so that you have 100% optimized video. So when talking about creating engaging thumbnails, the more high click-through rates you have, the more views you're going to have, especially in the first 24 hours. When trying to create creative thumbnails, you have to consider something, that thumbnails complement the title. So don't write the title on the thumbnail. You have to choose something that attract the audience to click on the thumbnail by using like arrows, using different colors, and of course, you know that using human faces and facial expressions, happy, sad, or whatever, pointing to something. Usually this type of ideas work to get more people click on your thumbnail. In the beginning, I prefer to do something, just type the main keyword about my video in the YouTube search bar, and I just see like the first 10 to 15 YouTube videos and see how they write the titles, the descriptions, how they use the tags and the thumbnails. Do they have a good title? Do they have a good thumbnail? So I just do some analysis before even starting creating the video itself. So let's get back to the optimization. The first 2 things that you should focus on is the title, the thumbnail, descriptions, and tags. Video tags or video keywords are very beneficial for people to find your videos, but you have to know that video tags is not going to rank your videos better. If nobody likes your content, or it's having a very low click-through rates or low audience retention, don't expect that you're going to have high rankings when people are searching for your keyword. So for the video optimization, it's not all about using the keywords and optimizing title, thumbnail, and the descriptions. The main thing here is you have to create a good engaging video content that people want to watch. The next thing is creating a YouTube channel trailer. I see a lot of channels that are not having channel trailer. Channel trailers should be something like from 1 to 2 minutes. You just need to tell your audience and give them a good reason to subscribe to your channel. So just talk about what type of videos are you going to provide them and give them a reason why they should listen to you. So this is the main objective of the channel trailer. Channel trailers can bring a lot of views and subscribers and help you to grow the channel. You have to engage with the YouTube community. After you publish the video, you have to watch and read the comments and reply. Try your best to reply to all the comments you have. The idea here is when you engage with your audience, this will help to increase the engagements, which is one of the metrics that YouTube algorithm considers for your videos to be successful. So try your best to reply to all the comments, especially in the first 24 up to 48 hours, because the more engagements you have in the beginning, definitely this will boost the performance of your video. You have to consider creating playlists to organize your YouTube channel. Playlists are considered like videos, so they should be optimized, they should have a good title, a searchable keyword, and they should have an SEO optimized description. And try to group similar videos in one playlist. It's a good idea to create as many playlists as you can. YouTube collaboration is one of the most successful strategies that you can implement to grow your channel. So each collaboration gives you an exposure to new audience, and try to communicate with the creator so that you can create something in collaboration. Maybe you can create a video on his or her channel, and he or she can create a video on your channel, and most probably both of you are going to get a lot of views and subscribers. You have to share the videos everywhere and in the first 24 hours. These are considered social signals that will trigger the YouTube algorithm. If you just check any video and you see the share button, you'll find all the social media platforms that YouTube recommends you to share your videos on. So if you have an email list, share the videos to them. If you have a lot of other social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever, please share the videos there. Also, you can use Reddit, a lot of subreddits that can help your channel to grow. Track your analytics. It is a good idea to regularly check out the YouTube analytics and always look for the audience retention, click-through rates, the watch time, and traffic sources, because you get a lot of information by watching the traffic sources. And one of the best metrics that you should monitor regularly is the first 30 seconds in your videos, especially after you publish them. This will give you how many % of viewers are still watching your videos. So if you have, like, in the first 30 seconds, like 70% at least of people watching your videos, then you have to know that you have created a successful hook and attracted your viewers to watch the video. And always watch for the steep decline in any videos, because when you have steep declines, this means that people don't like this exact part for whatever reason. So it's a good idea to keep analyzing all your videos, especially in the audience retention curve, to know what's working and what didn't work. If you don't study the analytics and course correct based on the data and findings you see, you will never succeed on YouTube. When you're trying to rank your videos, you have to consider the following. Videos are ranked based on a variety of factors, including click-through rates, audience retention, watch time, and how well the title, description, and video content match the viewer's query. Search engine optimization is not going to work if the video is not engaging or people didn't like it. YouTube algorithm follows the viewer. So if the viewers don't like the video for whatever reason, and the video was 100% optimized, it will never appear in search results. So you have to keep in mind that watch time is the king. So optimizing the metadata on a video with poor watch time and poor audience retention won't result in significantly improved rankings. YouTube Shorts. A lot of people are facing a lot of challenges when creating YouTube Shorts. Definitely, you have to use YouTube Shorts as an organic marketing strategy to grow your channel. Always think of creating something engaging, something funny, so that you attract the audience. And always create fast-paced YouTube Shorts. When you start the video, there's no time to do intros and outros. Just go straight to the point. Create engaging content, deliver your message, just focus on one thing, keep your audience engaged from the first second till the last one, and definitely you're going to get a lot of views and subscribers by applying this strategy. So now we have the fourth topic. Is YouTube ads an effective way to grow your YouTube channel? I don't recommend using YouTube ads to get more views and subscribers, unless you are trying to do something like brand awareness or to increase the reach. Like, for example, music channels or movie channels. Yes, you can apply this strategy, but you have to consider that based on your targeting, the cost will be very high, not the cost per view. The cost per view usually is like few cents, but the cost to get one subscriber is very high. And that's why I don't recommend using YouTube ads to grow your channel. YouTube ads should be used to promote your products, your services, to drive people to your websites or to your landing page to sell something, or can be used for lead generation. I hope you enjoyed these videos.